Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I do a silk press and trim on my lovely client today. As you can see, she's got a lot of hair. She has been natural for her whole life. She did experience some heat damage, however she's going to be pressing her hair today because she's grown out all of the damage and her hair is in really good condition. So as you can see, I've started out by sectioning off the back of her hair. I have already applied my heat protection and detangled her hair previously. I have been using Care products, so I've used Care, leave-in conditioner and Silk and Seal. All the products include heat protection in them, so it will protect her curl pattern. So I've started off by blow drying with a comb attachment just to make sure that the hair is fully detangled. Then I'll move on to detangling her hair and smoothing it through with a paddle brush. The reason why I start off with a comb attachment and then move on to a brush is because I like to ensure that the hair is fully detangled before moving on to the brush. So using the comb attachment allows me to ensure that the hair is fully detangled and stretched, and then to smooth over the hair with the paddle brush and with a downward motion, that is to seal the hair cuticle and make sure that the hair is smooth and shiny when I go over the hair with the straighteners later. I'm going to use my Babyliss Pro titanium straighteners on her hair. Titanium straighteners distribute the hair evenly across each strand, however it is for professional use only, so please avoid using titanium straighteners on your own because they can lead to heat damage if you use them too frequently. That's why it's best to use ceramic straighteners when you're at home and not the titanium pair. So I begin to press. I've added some conditioning cream hairdress by Care as well before doing my second blowout, and that's all the products I'm going to be using. I apply all my products whilst the hair is damp and before the blow dry, and that's it. I don't apply any more product because when you add excess oils to your hair when straightening, that increases the risk of heat damage. So as you can see, my client's hair has a lot of split ends. This is because she hasn't trimmed her hair in a while, and in order to get a silky smooth press, you need to ensure that your ends are in good condition. So I'm going to go ahead and trim her ends after her hair has been pressed. Forgive me, I didn't realize that the camera wasn't in focus, but I am just going to begin trimming the length of her hair. As you can vaguely see, one side of her hair is shorter than the other, so I've just balanced it out. Then I'm going to go ahead and trim her layers so that when she does wear her hair curly, it does have a nice shape. I am just pulling her hair up and then cutting off any of the see-through ends. It is really important that you ensure that your ends are really trimmed when you do have curly hair, because this can affect your wash and go styling. This can affect your hair's texture. It can really make your hair not feel in good condition, and also can lead to breakage in future. So ensuring that you check with your stylist if your hair needs a trim every 3 to 6 months is vital. It's always best to ask and for your stylist to say no, you don't need a trim, than to just avoid getting the trim completely. So lastly, I'm just going to add some bouncy curls into her hair, and this is the finished result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for more salon series in future. If you like these kinds of videos, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below what hairstyles you would like me to do on my clients and what videos you would like to see more of in future. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.